Hi, this is Bob Sanderson. I think for second moto, the track's shaping up really good. The ruts are stiffening up, everything's forming, there's new lines forming everywhere. Seems to have a good flow. Just came back from a track walk just now, and it's looking like the second moto's gonna be really good. Just hoping to get a good start and stay up with those guys. Second moto, got off the line with everybody. Kind of missed a shift or a slow shift, and everybody got a bike length on me. But it was good to get off the line with people and be in the mix. And I just kind of rode my own race from there. Let everybody else make mistakes, passing guys. The ruts off the start were just mayhem, and made a few passes there and kind of just settled in. Tried getting into the top 10. Kind of where I think I belong, and it just wasn't happening today. Everybody was just going really fast. Few guys that we have visiting the series that were going good today too. But all in all, we walk away and we get ready for the next one.